Everybody wanna steal my girl. Everybody wanna take her away. Couple billion in the whole world. Found another one, but she belongs to me.
Yuda, how long is the longest you had feelings for someone? Yan ang naging tanong ni Kuya Robby Domingo kay Donnie Pangilinan. Say ng aktor, to be honest, I had a crush for 3 years. Then I confessed my feelings to the girl and I'm glad na pareho kami ng nararamdaman. 1 year ko siyang niligawan and sinagot niya ako, kami pa rin hanggang sa ngayon. At masaya ko, sana nga forever na ito. At si Bel Mariano ang tinutukoy ko.